It's probably easier said than done. A bridge, hopefully. What the fuck? Ah, okay. What the hell just happened there? Yeah. Oh look, the rollers have had that boat. That's where he's got a break TV. Maybe we've got... Isn't it like a car, isn't it? Factory Liberty. There's never police right down there. Oh yeah, probably. The bottom, but the sort of the middle bit, that's only in too much in it. You can do, but it costs off a lot more.